Hi friends, welcome to Tasty Food and Lifestyle. If you're visiting our channel for the first time, don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon to get notified on our new videos. If you like this video, do like, share and comment. Today, let us see how to make a quick, delicious and healthy Chickoo milkshake. We need 4 ingredients to make Chickoo milkshake. Fresh milk, powdered nuts of your choice, chickoo and palm sugar. First, let us cut chickoo into small cubes. Add 3 medium-sized chickoo. Add nuts of your choice. Palm sugar as per your requirement. And 100 ml fresh milk. Grind the mixture well. Transfer the milkshake into a mason jar or a tall juice glass. Garnish the milkshake with some nuts. Store it in the refrigerator or add ice cubes before serving. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this recipe, please try this and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below.